This is a story about a grandfather, his granddaughter, and a violin. Joseph Stefan left Austria-Hungary for the United States of America in 1905 with his 16-year-old daughter, Susanna, and his violin. They were traveling to Baltimore, Maryland to find work and to establish a home for the family they left behind in Austria. They found work, and together he and Susanna made a home for their Austrian family. Susanna met and married Georg Hemmerke. In April 1909, Susanna and George welcomed their daughter Mary into the world. Mary was the delight of her grosspapa's life. Joseph loved to play his violin for his Mary. As soon as she was able to walk, Joseph called out to her, "Dance, Maria, dance," as he serenaded her with Viennese waltzes and polkas. Mary grew up pleasing her grandpapa with her dancing as he delighted her with his musical offerings. Susanna often joined in with them on her harmonica. When I married Susie's grandson, John, in 1951, Joseph was no longer with us, but Mary and Susie continued Joseph's legacy with their love of music and dancing, with which he had gifted them. Time passed, and while in her 70s, Mary began having trouble remembering things. She had to be reminded how to walk, how to put one foot in front of the other. But it proved too much for her. As her health declined, we had to let go of our care for her and place her in the loving hands of the nuns at St. Joseph's Nursing Home. Just before her move to St. Joseph's, a big bash was planned to celebrate Mary's birthday. It was on a Sunday afternoon, and her family of 7 children, their spouses, 23 grandchildren, and several cousins gathered with Mary at Blob's Park. This old German restaurant featured an Oompa band that played polkas and waltzes all afternoon. Mary was seated with her family when the band began to play. Imagine our surprise when Mary, who had forgotten how to walk, how to put one foot in front of the other, danced away the afternoon. She went from one partner to another, dancing the polka and then the waltz, without instructions from anyone. Not one of us could dance as well as Mary.